Welcome to my information video. You may not know me, but I happen to be a student in the Biology 113 class for this fantastic teacher, Dr. Grifford. I'm here to teach you a bit about my group name, the Endosymbiont.
Here, educate yourself!
No. No, I said I was going to teach them, Agent Bleakley. Anyways, here's a simple definition to get you on the right track. An endosymbiont is any organism that lives within the body or cells of another organism, thus forming endosymbiosis. See, not that bad. Just things living inside other things. Okay, maybe a little gross. Okay, and bad news is not all endosymbionts are needed, and some can actually be harmful to either participant. Good news though, most relationships of endosymbiosis are actually in need of both parties, being that one cannot survive without the other. Some endosymbiotic relationships are less essential than others, but are still beneficial. With this in mind, we can understand that the endosymbiont theory supports the likely formation of modern chloroplast. You know, that stuff that takes part in light energy in plants. The idea is that a long time ago, a cell must have captured a photosynthetic cyanobacteria and failed to digest it. Sneaky little bugger. While managing to avoid digestion, the cyanobacteria thrived inside the cell and broke down remnants of food molecules ingested by the cell. As the cyanobacteria processes the food molecules, it creates energy, otherwise known as ATP, that the cell then uses to thrive as well. After a long while of living like this, the two became dependent upon each other and developed through evolution into what we know now as a chloroplast. Now that you know a bit more about endosymbionts, here's a question to test your knowledge. Which of these organisms does not use an endosymbiotic relationship? Is it A, a plant's roots with a healthy root fungus, B, termites, C, lichen, D, humans, E, all of the above, or F, none of these? The answer? Right after these messages. Just kidding. If you picked E, you've been fooled by the question. If you picked F, you know your stuff. The truth is that all of these organisms use an endosymbiotic relationship to survive or thrive better. Not sure? Let me help. For the plant, the relationship comes from the fungus that binds to and infiltrates the cellular structure of the roots. The exchange comes from a direct access to sugars from the roots to the fungus. In return, the plant has access to more water and mineral nutrients from the fungus. The termite survive by an endosymbiotic relationship with the microorganisms in its gut. Termites consume wood but cannot digest it without the help of the protozoans in the termite's gut. The lichens themselves are a composite organism consisting of photosynthetic algae or cyanobacteria inside the fungus. The benefit comes from the fungus protecting its partner and providing it with minerals. In return, the algae or cyanobacteria perform photosynthesis, providing sugar for both parties. And lastly, humans, similar to the termite, have bacteria that live in our gut that break down foods even more for better digestion and absorption. Pretty cool stuff, huh? So now that you know, maybe you'll notice more of the countless endosymbiotic relationships that go on all around us every day, in you, in plants, and other animals. The relationships play a major part in the development of evolution of life on Earth. Now, one last thing in my attempts to inform you about endosymbionts is a pretty lame riddle I made up. Are you ready for it? I need you as much as you need me, yet we never speak directly. We live so close, yet you do not notice me. Without you, I cannot survive. Without me, you could surely die. I am more than the girl next door, but I am not your lover and not your mother. What are we? We are an endosymbiotic relationship. Yay! I hope you got that right. I more so hope that the video helped you get a better understanding of the meaning and role of an endosymbiont. Thank you and have a great night. Also, good luck on your finals.